Okay, yeah, much better this way. Now you can hear me. So as I was saying, hello everyone. You should be able to hear me now. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Treadle. Alright, that's perfect. For anyone who does not know what segments is, I'll pull up the Reddit post. There we go. So segments is a journal and magazine for constructed languages. We've called it segments because we are very funny people. And this issue is about phonology. As you can see here, call for submission. And at the time, we had submitted an amazing mock-up that looked like this. So this was our first proposal for how it would look. You're going to see that some things are a bit different now because we've actually had more articles that required more formatting. So as it says here, this is a markup issue. There are only 3 articles in this markup that you were able to see on the subreddit at the end of January, I think. Let me check. Yeah, end of January. Hi, Davy. And this is how it looked. Since then, I've redone the titling. All tables are not going to be that way because that's a bit too small. It takes up too much space for not a lot of information. This was way too big. And overall, it wasn't very clean. It was a bit too busy. We've done a few things since. There you can see a few info boxes with very, very badly formatted things. And that was it. Now, here's what it looks like today. I'm going to pull the interface back up. Let's go there. This is just the first page of the showcases. The section, which software am I using? This is Affinity Publisher. It's a layout and editing software. Very simple. Very intuitive to learn. And as you can see, I've fucked some things up. Today I'm only going to show you the articles that were in the markup, because I have 2 of them to redo, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So as you can see, I've changed the titles just a bit. Now every article is going to start on the left page with the title on the left. There are some spaces for quotes or whatever we want to put there, really. And I managed to close the thing I wanted to keep. Let's see if I can just find it again. There we go. Alright, so we are going to redo this article in the style of this one, which was the largest one. And as such, it gave me a lot of elements to try and implement. There are something that I should move just a bit still. So, this article is just fine. I just have one thing that I should fix, which is that this box is larger than the text that it contains. But doing so is going to pull everything up just a bit, and as such, it's not going to wrap up properly around every figure, like tables or vowel charts, or some examples. And there's a typo here. There we go. And there's a typo here. I do not know why it's doing that. Oh, I know why. But yeah, just a few things that I need to fix. Just nothing major. And here too, yeah. If you have any questions about the segments thing, please do tell me. This is not supposed to be here, is it? Yep. This is all supposed to be... Let's see. Oh yeah, I know where. Let me pull up my article. So I need to see his article. If it wants to actually compile. Great. There we go. So these examples are not supposed to be here. They're supposed to be here. Why are they not? Let's see. So, yep, I think that every example is displaced just a bit. If anyone has submitted an article for this, please feel free to ask questions about what I did with it. However, I did not format every article yet. So some are still missing, and I can give you a list of what is not formatted yet. Oh, what I can do too is show you that. It's going to be well over 150 pages. Alright, so let me pick the article back up and compare what my commit has done and what I should have done. Yeah, it's probably going to be close to 170. Okay, so looking at this, I'm going to need to edit this detached. Do that a bit closer. And finish. Now. Oh yeah, you're going to see me save just about every 30 seconds. So where is the vowel thing? Okay, so this can go here. This can go here. Oh, I just go for Maya. You can actually find the correct pronunciation by just Googling it, I think. So, what did I fuck up? Quite a lot, I'm afraid. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is all fine. All fine. Yes. This is still all fine. And this is where it starts getting bad. Oh, I named that badly. That's 4. So this is supposed to be higher. And this too. It's both are supposed to push this. There we go. And this is supposed to be between this, yes. Now, for phonological processes, let's check. By the way, for anyone wondering, I actually have this, which is Maya's original article that I've adapted entirely in the software. And I have it just on my other screen so that it does not obfuscate what I'm doing. Because I don't want to go back and forth. There we go. Now this is supposed to be... Oh, they don't want you to stay up. That's too bad. See you later. Oh, yeah, that's understandable, actually. This is supposed to be here. So as you can see, it's quite a lot of work for just the general layout of an article. So what I generally do is actually just paste everything, like, or type everything, depends on how the article has come. Because, for instance, copying from a PDF does this. I'll just copy it here. Oh, that's actually fine, because I guess my comments actually use a good PDF renderer. Some PDFs, it just jumps a line for every line. So it would look like this, which is extremely annoying. Because this is one paragraph per line. And it's really bad. Hi, Ascensus. How are you? Were you waiting for a Triddle to have to go? You mean person. Oh, and yeah, any article that did not have a good subtitle, I just made one up. Allophony is fine, syntactics is all fine. Yeah, I was there. This is good, this is good. Where is it? There should be an example here. This one. And this is going to go here. Just a bit closer. And it looks like this. Oh, I have to get rid of this tabulation here. Are there any other? There shouldn't be, but never know. What is this? There we go. There are going to go here. These ones as well. Okay. So let's go back to here. This can go. Therefore, this is going to be better. No, it's not. Not yet. Northern speakers is at the right place. There we go. Much better. And these two examples need to be right after the first paragraph with darkening suffixes. And it seems that this software is getting a bit slow the more I use it, because it just stores everything I did. The history can get quite extensive, and it also saves different paths. That if I do things, then Control Z, 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 and Z, it's all going to be saved. So if I just click here, it would just redo all the actions after that one that I had undone. It takes up a lot of RAM. Let's see. Clitic Productions is right where it needs to be. Oh no, that's wrong. That's very wrong. Why is that wrong? What is the style here? That's the correct one. It should definitely not be there. Huh. Oh, I think I know why. I don't actually. That's strange. I'll have to fix that later, but I don't want to bother too much right now. So this is very minor. Can I actually just adjust that one? What can I do for this? Yeah, I cannot do anything. And 4, 0. I don't remember which setting that is, and I don't want to take up too much time right now. So that's all good. Now let's see. Blah blah blah. Doesn't occur across broad boundaries. That's the sentence here. Oh, hi Maya. Did not notice that you were here. Oh, you did not even reply to me on Discord. Okay, so I need to fix that. Yeah, I did send you the link, but you did not reply and you did not go online. That I saw, so you're just very rude. There. And let's see. Yeah, I think that this one, I'm just going to have to push at the next page. So I'm going to do something that I probably shouldn't do. It's going to be transparent, and I'm going to set it to jump. No, actually, it's going to be here. That way it aligns perfectly. And this is going to need to get back up just a bit. And this one as well. Or does it? No, actually, this one can go later, I think. What you are you online? Oh yeah, no, you're, okay, you're invisible. Yeah, you break my heart. So this table needs to go after the paragraph that says you can imagine something. Okay, so it's going to go there. Yep. And this one needs to go after the first two constraints or something. About 3 lines. Yeah, I'm going to need to... I'll just do it this way. It's bad practice, but who cares? Hi, Scandus. I mean, I would call Maya that, but I already call him something else, as proven by the subreddit moderators Discord. I need to check something. Yeah, okay. I thought for a second that I forgot to take away the thing I wanted to... that I used to actually show things on the other streams, this one. Then I should be gone. Or back then gone. So this is all good. Maya, please do tell me if there is a problem. Apart from the tabulation that I'm missing here. So actually, I could probably... No, it should be 13 millimeters before this. Definitely be. That's weird. I'll have to fix it later. Terrible. So now I need to go to lizard. That's all good. This one should be a bit higher. Is it all good with the labels? Dorsal, labial, dorsal, velarized, and coronal. Yeah, seems like it's all good. Now for this. Last word of the previous paragraph should be either. It is. Yeah, don't look too much at the tabulation. For now, at least. This is going to go slightly higher. Let's go with that. Let's see. Last word here is spread. Why? Oh, this needs to be 2 paragraphs higher, not just 1. But sound speakers is there. Then I need this to be higher. Wait, why does this? Oh, because it's just one example, so I don't need the columns. Okay. And then the coda. Yeah. So now that this is done, all I need to do is deal with the footnotes that Maya included. And for this, I need to locate the footnotes. There are 7. And I need to grab my template for footnotes, which should be used in several other articles. That's good enough. You saw absolutely nothing. So what do you think of the layout so far? Nice. Wait, what the hell? Okay, yeah, I see why. Let's see, this is not needed. Okay, I see what's going wrong. I need to do this. But space is a bit everywhere actually. Okay, that's good enough for now. What I need to do as well is put on small caps. Oh, that too. Oh, can you hear snoring? If you can, it's my dog. Typography, small caps. I'll just fix all the mistakes and inconsistencies, no problem. Passive. No, sadly it's not free. It's like 55 bucks, 55 euros. Hang on. I'll spare you this. Let me just check menu, Affinity Publisher. It's 50% off right now. I don't know why, but it is. So it's 28 euros. Like 25 pounds, I think. I've got all of their software, it's quite good. And it's way cheaper than anything by Adobe. So let's do the... So I think that's... The footnote 2 is actually already included here. Yes, yes it is. This is a footnote that I already included. I'll still put it there. And yeah, yeah, some things are not very good with PDFs to this, but it's not on this software. It's purely on the PDF. No, all footnotes have been converted to endnotes, but some of them that I really wanted to highlight, so that this one, that's actually the only one I really wanted to highlight, are in this format. But I'm still including it here. Yeah, it's got some issues with copying from small fonts. Okay, so I need to do this here. Tack. Interactive, insert hyperlink. Go to space. Yeah, it's actually a lot of work to do all the footnotes that way. So I gave up on it after this one. Just checking that, does this go? Go to hyperlink target. Yep, that works perfect. Were there links in the previous footnote that I missed? Yes. And it's been deleted, so that's good. The page does not exist. Lost examples should not have any link. It doesn't. Perfect. Polish it. This one I have 3. Yeah. Yes, that's all good, and that's all good. So this they should be in order. So this, the right-click interactive, insert hyperlink. Oh, and the hyperlink are in the color scheme I selected for the entire journal. Is this not aligned? No, it's not. If you have any comment on the color scheme, I'm also taking that. Interactive, insert hyperlink. That's the right one. Perfect. So then I thought I had more. That was, oh yeah, I missed quite a few. I missed an entire page worth of them. That's 6, that's 5. That should be the one. Right click, interactive, insert hyperlink. That's all good. That's all good. And that's all 7 footnotes. Now, what I need with this, there, 8.6 millimeters. And that's a tiny bit too big, actually. That should be good. I'm not aiming for perfection on that one. For this. I just want it to be good enough. All right. Uh, that looks like it's all good. Yeah. I will just need to sort out the tabulation before this. This is just weird. It's footnote 6 missing a space. I went way too far. Let's go there. And yes, it is missing a space. Thank you. I'm going to put a period here, one here. That every footnote has one, yes. Now it should be all good. So if you want to look at this, oh, and as you can see, you have a page number on the left with page, on the right without, and the current language that's being talked about on the top left, top right. Yeah, that should be all good. Now let's go to the third one. I'm going to do the first one at the end. So on this one, I left it this way because I wanted to show off that, to show all of that off. And instead of just including every example this way, I'm going to put it more in line with the style and copy this style of inclusion. So how is this? What do I have here? This one, I have 3 examples that I can pull from. So I'm going to take all of this, put it there. This is all in small caps, yes. And this is all going to be centered. This line is going to be bold. Is going to, no, not that. Is going to be purple. I'm going to delete that. And that's it. Oh, and translation in italics. So that means that I can just delete this one. Actually, no, I cannot because this is important. So how do I do this? I think I'm going to fetch a bar from where I use what I use in tables. And I know I'm going very fast on the zoom in, zoom out because I know where everything is and I don't want to give you too many spoilers. So this, I'm going to go there, edit detached, this, Control X, put it here. I'm going to put it here for now, finish. I shouldn't have clicked finish because I still have something to do. Actually, I'll undo a few things first. There. What else do I need? Okay, that's good. There. Now this can go here for now. And that's all good now. All right. So now I need to make it jump 3.2 millimeters in every direction. And that was right after this one. So this can go. And that's the one, yes. And some of you may have noticed, but I'm just going to say it anyway, that this is exactly the width of the text space. And this is meant to be inserted right there. I'm going to narrow that just a bit. There, I'm going to put it right in the middle. And this needs to be 3.2 millimeters away, I think. There we go. Now I can group this, copy it, and paste it wherever I want. And this here. I'm going to actually put it here, so that it does not displace everything for now. Alright, so I'm going to do the one in old pattern. Which is right after the word diphthongs. Is here. So I'm going to grab the text and do that again. Bold, purple, delete that. That's an old pattern. Now I need to just put it. That's good. And I'm going to copy it once more and put it at the place where it's supposed to go now, which is just about here, because it's after this. And so you probably can understand now why I initially put it in some inserts. It wasn't flowing very well with the text. If I had just inserted it inside of it. But with the more obvious distinction, much better. I have to check this. Yep, everything is fine. I'm going to grab that. And put it here. Centered, bold, purple, get rid of the period, put that in italics. And this is modern. Now this is out of place. So I'm going to put it here. There are no footnotes. We are done with this article. Just getting rid of that one might be better. All right. So that's pretty good. I am giving myself compliments here, of course. That's not too large. Yeah, now let's do the first one, which is a very interesting one because it's clicked. It has many clicks in it. So, first things first, I'm going to address why it's the way it is. Essentially, I changed the master pages. In these software master pages are just templates with things that I can replace. So I just accidentally applied the master page to this, and instead of clicking migrate, which is supposed to take the content and just put it there instead of something else, I just deleted everything, which is bad. So I have to just redo the entire double page. Hopefully, and oh yeah, also the tables format has changed a bit, so I'm going to need to redo them, I think. Or maybe not. Just a bit, just a few changes. Why is some stuff in... Okay, whatever. I'm going to change it anyway. You have opinions on that? Yes, that's perfectly fine. You are right to. It's just the best I can do for just one sentence. But yeah, you are right to have opinions. Actually, I'm going to go and fix that right now. Let's not have centered glosses. These are actually the only ones that are centered. So let's go with this. I mean, no, I know why I centered this one. It's because I do not have the I do not have the what's it called? I do not have an aligned gloss with separations, so I don't know how to align it. So I'm not going to. Actually, I think this is wrong. Yes, it is. Oh, I may actually have... No, I don't. I said nothing. Because this is updated, I think? Yeah. But there are more dashes here. Yeah, he did update them. Hang on. So this is the updated one. Let's see. Does it correlate? Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, this one correlates. So has he updated the other ones? Yes. Yes, he has. Okay, I'm actually going to do that. Yeah, if since he's updated them, which I did not realize, because I now have the original document under my eyes. So I'm going to align them. Let's see. Here. Oops. Here. So I'm going to do this. Oh, can I just change the tab stops? Where is it? It's not here. Tab stops. Oh yeah, 6.4. Okay, it doesn't change much, but you know. What? 6.4. There we go. I'm just aligning everything now. It's not ideal, and it's going to be much better once we actually switch to LaTeX. Well, actually, this is aligned enough. Let's go with that. And this? No. And this? Actually, I'm even going to go with this. How's that? How do you like that? I think it's pretty good. I should probably make a style for this, which I'll do next. It's not much of a bother. This is modern bacon. Here it is. Does it? What's so weird about it? Oops. Need to unselect everything. Something else I could do is 32. This could actually work. How would you improve that? If you have any ideas, I'm taking. Because I currently do not have ideas. Oops. Okay. I'll leave it this way for now. And has he updated this? No, it's... Oh yeah, he has. There we go. That's much better. To the right. Oh, do you actually want me to? I mean, I could always left align, yes. I don't know, I just don't like it. It just feels so unbalanced, but I guess I can solve it this way. Is that acceptable? Hang on, that. Yeah, I can actually get behind that. I'll probably just, yeah, keep that. Okay, and hear me out. I know, I know. How about this? No, that's terrible. I hate it instantly. I'm just going to do all of that here too. And have that. Oh yeah, I need to set these to 3.2. What? What? Come on. That was okay. At least. And that's also okay, I think. There we go. And this one now. Has this one been updated? Yes, yes it has. This is going to go there. Alright, let's take care of this one. Oh yeah. Again. Oops. I 3.2. Much better. That works. That still works. I've made a mistake. Yes. Relativizer. Buck dash. No. And there we go. Alright, that is much better. Thank you, Alan. Sometimes when you complain, it's good. Sometimes. So now, first article. You do not know the name, but you know the author. You may notice that this is a Reddit post. I know you absolutely love to complain, Alan. So this was a Reddit post. We actually asked the author if we could just adapt the Reddit post into an article for the markup. And we are keeping it. Let's get rid of this preview mode and go with that. Oh, hi, Maxon. How are you? For this one, I do not have a gloss. I do not have IPA. However, I'm going to make it a bit larger. There we go, and finish. When I click here and then click Edit Detached, it allows me to modify the templates element without modifying the template, which is quite nice, but you can see here that there are crosses here. It means that I cannot modify this. So I need to enable that. How are you, Marek? Oh yeah, this bug again. It's nothing major, it just takes on the last style I played with. So it does not need to be bold and it needs to be fake black. Oh, and this number is actually probably going to change. So let's go with copying absolutely everything. Oh, that's going to be a mess. Yes, it is. Wait, what? Oh, I don't need to copy anything because I already have everything. That's really neat. Are these actually tab stops? No, they are spaces, but I'm justifying the thing. Okay. Who is Paul? I don't know anyone named that. And yes, I am drinking out of a very big cup. Let's see, I want to actually change that text size and have number list. Okay, what is this? Okay, I know exactly what this is. And I think I'm just going to need to edit the layout again. Edit detached. No. 8.6, yes. What are you doing? Software. Okay, good. Yeah, it kind of is, I guess. But it's very nice for tea. So, finish. And now I have that. Okay. I'm going to go in table. And try and fit that right here. Okay, so I'm going to need to change something. I can actually change the outline. So top, I'm going to put the 0 so that it can actually fit here. Oh, yeah, okay. What is this doing or not doing? Oh, I was just moving the outline box. Okay. So, things I need to change here. This needs to not be in bold. This entire table needs to not have borders except for this one. No, 0.4. And it looks like this, which is pretty good. Now I'm going to need one of those fancy borders. Oh, fancy text boxes. Okay. Is this properly aligned? No, it is not. What's with the small caps at the beginning of all the sentences? Where? Oh, yes. You are completely right. I just fucked that up. Hide. Yeah, caps, small caps. There we go. Thank you. So this was meant to be on the other side anyway, but... And there we go. Now this jump. 0.2, 3.2. Everywhere. This needs to just be article body. Except... No, wait. No, that's good, that's good. Or is it? It's in 11. It needs to be in 12, yes. And that's done. Now this can go. And this can come here. This can stay there. I'm going to that way. And oh, I seem not to have the consonants, which are supposed to be before all of that. Okay, I need to redo the what's happening. Okay, now you want to move properly. That's all right. Okay, so now I also need to make the table for consonants. So let's take the table tool. It's 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, no, it's right there. I'm an idiot. Here, Control J, delete that one, paste that one. I'm going to also make it bigger so that all the diacritics are fine. And there we go. Okay, so now I need to actually place them. Let's see. I need to insert a title, textiles, article heading 1. No, not double click. And it's where? Okay, yeah, that's what I had modified before. Okay. That's going to be fine then. This can go back to 3.2 here. We can bind them again. Put that here for now. So some things have been changed, I think, by me. But now with this new format, I don't need to change them anymore. Yes, because I hadn't planned on adding all of that. Okay, so that's good. Then we have to insert another line. No, that's all good. And now for the consonants, it needs to come right after this sentence that I'm going to insert. Perfect. And that pushes everything to the next page. And I can pretend that this was all planned. I can just get rid of everything here. And this is where I put the table again. And there we go. So now I can just get rid of this. And this is going to be, this is not actually a numbered list in the Reddit post, so I'm going to put it there. And this can take on the same format as there. And I can just make it start on 2. There we go. So what's the damage here? Why is... Are some things smaller? Yeah. This is all supposed to be in table body format. Where is it? Weird. Table body, yeah. And I don't know why table body is marked as bold, because it's not supposed to be. And I can just copy that. Why can't I copy? Cut. There we go. And this is going to go right before phonotactics, probably pushing it down quite a bit. Jump 3.2. And the original table actually is a bit smaller, so I'm going to also make it a bit smaller. There we go. And this all seems very good, or at least in line with the article that we were submitted. These can all go. And this can go to the next page. And that all seems good to me. So there we go. That's about where we are at with segments. I still have about 10 articles to format properly. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 articles to go through. And after that, we are going to be able to actually publish it. So I have one question that could be useful. Who among you, oh, that's typo. And I'm going to replace this. Who among you would be interested in a physical copy of Segments? And who of you is still watching, actually? Yeah, okay, so far just Alan, whose opinion does not really matter anyway. So is that really just Alan who's interested in a physical copy of it? Okay. Maxine, is that just for the leather bound one, or is that the joke, or is it not? Would you actually be interested in a very simple print? Oops. You know what? I'm going to show you the table of content for now. And it's... Oh, yeah, I need to update it, I think. Yeah. We have received 32 articles. Okay, if you're interested in a print, if many people are interested, we are probably going to conduct a survey at some point. We are probably going to make that happen. So, are there any questions about segments or anything else, really? Oh, yeah, and release date should be first week of April. I don't yet know whether it's going to be the 1st of April or the 5th, which is a Monday. Or actually, maybe the 3rd, which is a Saturday. So, we don't yet know exactly when, but it's going to be before the end of the first week. I think before the 12th. Am I actually loud enough? Yeah, looks good. Sorry, I hadn't checked the sound settings today. Okay, so just Alan and Maxine, who'd be interested in print. We're going to conduct a survey on release, I think. That should yield more useful information. So, thanks a lot for watching up to now. For those of you who stayed, I have a bonus. Yeah, it's going to be done when it gets done, for sure. But yeah, I have a bonus. Hang on. Oh no, you're not useful enough. Clearly not. I mean, at some point, Alan is going to be done, yes. Yeah, it's terrible. Absolutely terrible. You're welcome, Alan. I know you wanted to see him. What do you mean, what? I just said I knew you wanted to see him. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the stream for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for being there, and thank you for your help in spotting the typos and all the mistakes. I hope you all have a good day. See you.